Hello, my name is Abe Mashni. I'm the founding attorney of Mashni Law Criminal Defense here in Lexington, Kentucky. Today's video is essential information for anyone who finds themselves in the unfortunate situation of being arrested. It could be a stressful and confusing situation, but it's also crucial to remember that you have rights. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing the 5 things that you need to know and do if you are arrested that will not only protect your rights, but also give you the best possible chance for a good outcome. So number 1, request a lawyer as soon as possible. Decline to answer any questions until your lawyer arrives. If you don't have a lawyer, well, you have the right to a court-appointed counsel if you qualify financially. But the first step is asking for one. So if you have one of my cards, you can say the following: I will not answer any questions or respond to any accusations without my attorney being present. I do not consent to any searches of my personal property. If you wish to do any test, lineup, or any ID procedures, please call my attorney, and it lists my phone number. So number 2, be polite and respectful. Nowadays, most officers are wearing body camera, especially here in Lexington. If you are respectful and polite to the arresting officer, even if you feel as if they're treating you unfairly, yelling or being aggressive is not only going to hurt your situation, but it's also going to make you look bad. So don't act like a fool. Don't cuss out the cops or resist arrest. That could add additional charges and hurt with negotiations. Also, you're not going to talk your way out of an arrest. There's a time to fight the case, but on the side of the road while you're in handcuffs or in the back of the police cruiser is not the time to do it. And remember, prosecutors and potentially judges and jurors are going to be watching that body camera. So how you act can absolutely influence the outcome of the case. Number 3, if you have any drugs or contraband, don't hide it. Don't try to sneak it into the jail. 1, promoting contraband is a felony charge in Kentucky. And 2, if you have a little weed in your pocket or in your suit and you try to sneak it in, well, that misdemeanor just turned into a felony charge. So, not a good decision. Number 4, cooperate with the pretrial officer for the interview and call your friends and families to post bond. So, uh, the pretrial interview is conducted by a pretrial officer, and they're going to ask some contact information, some background information. That information, along with a background check, is going to go to the on-call district court judge, who is going to be responsible for assigning a bond for you. Once you get a bond, call your friends or family about posting that bond. And so the quicker and the more you cooperate with that interview, the more likely you're going to get a bond as quick as possible. And number 5, do not, under any circumstance, talk to any other inmates or over a jail phone about the case. Jailhouse snitches are a thing. Prosecutors and detectives are listening to those recorded jail phones. And I've said countless cases where the included in the evidence is recordings of my client talking on the phone, incriminating themselves. Just don't do it. So finally, remember, being arrested is not something that we plan for, but it's crucial to know your rights and stay informed. Following these 5 steps can not only ensure that your rights are protected, but it's also going to give you the best possible chance for a favorable outcome. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to reach out if you have any additional questions whatsoever. Thanks.